Okay. Oh. Link to their personal page. Yes, I should add that now. I was planning on doing that. I just haven't really got around to it yet. Thanks for popping by and telling me that. By the way, if you have it set up, like with all the stuff filled in, tell me and I can test it out with your account. Where is it? Home. Here we go. We'll have oh, is that your username? Okay, cool. So let's should we do a test for you? See what happens. Oop, okay, that's not good. Wrong one. Okay, get page info. This is what we want. So tired, I can barely think. Reduce of empty array with no initial value. Ah, yeah, this is interesting. I'll fix this now while we're at it. So many bugs, I'm dying. So many pugs. Yeah, that too. Get page info. Dot reduce. Greater than 0. Not otherwise. And then box dot length greater than 0. Not otherwise 0. Cool. Morning. That's not what I meant to do. So let's push this to production and see what happens. empty array reducing bug. Okay, so we'll wait for that to deploy, and then yeah. So basically, okay, it's 2 p.m. I want to launch at 6 p.m. So that's 4 hours. I should probably spend like 2 of those hours coding, maybe, max. Then we should start like making stuff for Product Hunt. Let's see, will this work now, or will there be another annoying error? Boom! Boom, boom, boom. Nice. Okay, there we go. Cool. So we've got a photo, then we've got your Twitter, Product Hunt, make a log, Twitch, recently completed stuff. Awesome. So that works now. By the way, I'm not going to have to like change the pages manually like this. It's just because I've got a boring web server. Where were we? Oh yeah, home.html. We were sticking in this personal website thing. Equals Ethan.link. Let's do it as my one, as the placeholder. And then let's see how that looks. Localhost :/home. Here we go. Then I mean, my one is actually. Oh, but actually we should say HTTPS because we want them to include that. Ethan.link. Saved. Awesome. So now we need to get that in the cloud function here. Personal website. I should probably have given this field a better name, but who cares, to be honest. We can always change it. Added personal website field. Cool. Okay, so now I'll add a thing to the front end. I'll actually switch back to me now, so I can work on stuff a bit easier. So we got that, then /ethan.html. Let me go to here, and I'll say if personal website equals undefined, and we'll go with that. As for icon, I'm not sure if I should go with like I could go with like a globe, or I could go with like maybe like a house. I'm kind of liking the house. Go launch something now. Yeah, I can do some funny placeholders like that. That's a good idea. Let's say FA globe. Try that out and see what it looks like. Oh, that's because this should be just FA. Hey, Dominic, right? I think Dominic, that's your name. So we could have house, or we could have, I mean globe, or we could have house. Why is this not showing up? FAS maybe? Is that the problem? Oh no, it's just not showing up. Doesn't make much sense. It's going like pretty well. I'm feeling like pretty tired, because like I've been coding for like 20 hours. So I'm gonna code for like maybe an hour more, 1 or 2 hours more max, and then I'm gonna get assets for product hunt, and then yeah. Okay. Okay, there's your house. There's your globe. Take your pick. Which do you prefer? Tell me in the chat. Yeah, I'm thinking globe too. Let's leave it with globe. I think we also need to add a bit of spacing between these icons, by the way. They're a bit too close together. Margin 0. Do this, reload the CSS, or no? No, it hasn't reloaded. Here we go. Yeah, that looks nicer. A bit more spread out. Cool. Now let's get this ugly mess here looking nice. What if I just make the margin for Okay, I'm thinking of going, so, dot product, and like margin, like that or something. And then saying dot product, anything, margin 0. We'll see how that looks. It might turn out terrible, but it's worth a try. Before I do that, I should also style this tagline real quick. Yep. Cool. There, dot tagline, font weight, was it? Okay, I did it 500. Maybe it was 400. I forgot now. Got a duplicate reservation email. That's a bit weird. Did you sign up twice or something? Oh well, what's the worst that can happen? Nope, okay, so definitely not 600. So it's 500 or actually, yeah, I'm liking normal. That's alright, you're special. Actually, probably everybody got 2, if you got 2. So you're not special, but let's pretend you are. Margin, bottom 0.2, and we're in the final few hours here. Yeah. I'm thinking, what if I made this line up with that text, except obviously I think that needs to be 2.25 maybe, but like that could be no, looks weird. No, we want to keep that one. It's this one we want to get rid of. Okay, next, what other information do we have? Oh, I forgot to check that this link actually works. Yep, it works. Awesome. This is looking nice. I'm kind of a bit worried. Like, it looks sort of like a rip-off of Whip Chat. Not on purpose, but like it does sort of look like that. Oh, maybe not. Not that much. I think this looks nicer, actually. My opinion. Okay. What happens if I go to here and change everything to levels.io just for fun, and like watch everything like explode basically. IO levels.io. Yeah, I'm not bothered to change the link. Then we go to /Ethan. Cool. I'll make a proper loading thing, by the way, soon. There we go. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm gonna send him a DM, actually. Should I send it to him via Telegram? I'll send it via Telegram. Whoop. Telegram, here we go. Beautiful. Why don't I DM him on Telegram? I have 3. How many hours do I have left? I think 4 hours to go for the challenge. I'll be launching soon. Hi Twitch. Twitch says hi back. Would want to up for a maker.rocks profile. It'd be really cool to link to it on the product hunt page and it as a demo screenshot. And then let's drag this in. Oh, is that smile. Just how are you getting the product automatically from Product Hunt? I don't know, like, I've never heard of you, so, or maybe I have, so I don't know, like, your coding level, but there are these things called APIs, which stand for some application something something, but basically it lets you, like, make a request to them, and then they return stuff. So in here, like, I've got a function which makes, once I manage to scroll up, because this is laggy, which basically requests some stuff that's weird. Here we go, like, this is some of the Product Hunt stuff, so it, like, requests it, and then like, sets the stuff and the products, and then returns it. So yeah, that's what it stands for. I must say, Peter Levels as why does everybody have a last name ending in S? Makes it really hard to pronounce. Peter Levels' profile looks really good in here, I think. We need to link these. That was actually something I don't think I did. I'll do that now, quickly. Okay. Oh wait, are these the... Oops, I just went on to Kanban mail cloud functions instead of instead of maker.rocks cloud functions. This is what we want. Okay, any reason I use brackets? A bunch of people have asked me that in this stream. It's pretty funny. Like, a lot of people use like Visual Studio Code or like Atom or whatever it is, but I actually just like brackets because it's like it's simple. Like it's got enough stuff to like make you be productive, but like it doesn't have a ton of like extra stuff. And if I want to link, why not Sublime? I haven't really looked at Sublime. I like the reason I choose brackets also is it just has like a really nice clean UI. Let's see how many people have signed up now, by the way. I have to hide this because I don't want you to like see everyone's emails. Because they probably don't want you seeing their emails. Okay, 67 people signed up so far. Nice. Okay, whoop. So, yep, 67 people. Oh yes, he said yes, awesome. Influencer marketing, here we come. Okay, no, but, you mind name up with your email at .rocks/sign-up. Send marketing stuff. It's just to send a login code that I... Oh look, he's done it already. Awesome. Okay, this is epic. You know what, I'm just gonna commit now. Oh yep, I need to rename it back to profile.html from ethan.html. Whoop, no, wrong one. No, quick, we need to get Peter Levels his profile. Okay, here we go, rename. Profile.html. Okay, cool. So now we will push this. Profile page is mostly done. Let's push. Boom. Push. Oh yeah, we still have the like ugly loading sign. Oh yeah, I still have all my stuff set as beta levels. Oh, yep, okay, it's all loading. We're good. Oh, and maker log task.length greater than 0, then okay, cool. I'm just doing this because we want like so Peter levels show up. Okay, don't show maker log to-dos if they're empty. You know what it would be cool to do? It'd be cool to just combine them all into one. I mean, there's no reason why I couldn't do that, I don't think. So like, yeah. You know what I think would be really cool is see how we have the maker, like the rock icon there. What would actually be really cool is if we could get a is if we could put this here. If and then vbind href ref equals let's change this back to me for a sec. Yeah, let's also change my profile back. Okay, goolygoosh, goolygoosh, nothing, Ethan the maker, direct link, boom, saved. Okay, so we have this here. That's so cool that Peter's using it. Hopefully then people will be like, oh, it's cool. No, but also he's just like a good use case because like he's launched a ton of stuff. So yeah. So what were we doing? Oh yeah, we were doing the icon thing. So we'll put that there, and then we will also say dot query selector L equals shortcut icon. Good, nice. How many hours left? That's a good question. How many hours are left? Okay, 19 hours. So just over 4 hours. A bug that stopped where people didn't get signed up for 2 hours. But somehow I'm already at 62 people signed up. So cool to see these things actually working. Like, I've thought of these existing for ages. So it's cool to see them in action all of a sudden. I realized the file's starting to take shape and slowly emerged from a sea of bugs. Okay, so why isn't this doing it? Like we have, yeah, do I need to like move it to the head or something? Maybe I need to move it to the, oh, I was like, why isn't it showing up? And then I was like, oh, maybe because we're on the production version. So see, we have this here now, and for some reason it's still not working. Does it want it to be in the head? Yeah, it looks like it does want it to be in the head. So instead, dot title dot title equals this thing. Dot inner HTML equals $. Okay, cool. Then here we have that, and we'll say dot ref equals data dot product and image URL. Except we'll put that in here. Data dot yep, I'm using Vue. I feel like, but I don't really use Vue like proper people use Vue. Like, I don't have any components here. I think I might have like one component in the entirety of the 3,000 line Kanban mail code. Yeah, so like, I like semi-use Vue, but only because I'm like lazy and not bothered to update the DOM, basically. That's the main reason. Awesome. So now, what I've done here is, yeah, like the reason I'm using .inner HTML for that is because it's like stuff in the head, and I don't think Vue really works that well with that. So I'm just putting those like straight into the JavaScript, you know. Do you think I should do this? Like where I have it, with the person's image in the thing. Like, there we go. Sergio, are you watching? Like, let's just open a new tab so we can actually see the tab. Yeah, I could do that, and then wait a sec, Emojipedia, cool. 80% the way through. 4/5. Okay, now where am I actually pasting this again? Oh yeah, I was gonna paste it in here. Okay, so I think this way I can keep the maker.rocks branding by having it still there. Hey Sergio, Sergio, are you here? Stream. We might actually, I'll put this after. See, so then it loads your icon instead of like the default icon. So what do you think of that? Do you think that's good, or like nah? Let's do it for Oop, levels up. That's not what we meant to do. Ah, yeah, that's better. Everyone in the stream, what do you think? Does it look good with the custom URLs? I mean, custom favicons? Because right now it would just be like Sergio and maker.rocks /levels.io. Don't love it. I'm not sure. Like, that's what it would look like otherwise. You like it? How about you, Sergio? You alive? Oh no, I don't know now, because some people are saying they don't love it, and some people are saying it's the best. So definitely with progress has been made looking good. Thank you. Nano Aquila, do you like it better with the images, the favicon like this, or with the emojis, the favicon like that? He's made like a ton of stuff. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. You know what, I think I'm gonna do this image thing. Let's go. Rename profile.html. Okay, let's push this. Okay. Add product hunt image as favicon. Awesome. Awesome. Now, okay, we need to add how many upvotes? How many upvotes here? Slash. Okay, maker.rocks. Where did my mouse go? Found it. Okay, cool. Okay, just, how did you, oh yeah, my .rocks mail issue. I actually didn't in the end, but luckily I have a personal domain, which is ethan.link, and that's not a .rocks, and I don't know why, I have no idea why .rocks is a spam domain apparently, but yeah, so I submitted ethan.link to get verified, and that got verified pretty much instantly. So they're actually just sending from me at ethan.link, which isn't ideal, but I mean, you know, it's better than nothing. And I wasn't really bothered to argue with them over email and stuff, and yeah. Okay, so now we have, this is so cool, I love it. Yeah, so we need to add upvotes to here. So in here we have okay, product hunt products dot votes. Here we go. So I think next to it, we'll just have a thing here saying product dot tagline. Okay, here span class equals votes. Product dot votes. Okay, well this is great, except we don't want it to look like that, but it's a good start. Non-breaking space 2:44, so nearly 3 p.m. So 3 hours till the product hunt launch. But that's including we need to make all the stuff for it and everything. Dot votes, one rem. The way yeah, that's the only thing which .icos are good for, but I usually just put a link, to be honest. Yeah. So let's go here. In fact, I think we should actually make this a bit smaller. Do you think I should make this responsive for mobile? I probably should, because yeah, the whole idea is that it's shareable, so then it would make sense for it to it would make sense for it to work on mobile, like if you're sharing it on Twitter or whatever. Yeah. And let's have a let's find a nice font. Awesome. Here we go. Let's find a nice upvote icon. I think correct up would be good for this. Carrot up. Cool. Perfect. I think we need to add a margin here. Margin left. Let's just do like 1em just to check it's actually working. Does that clutter things too much? I mean, I have to put it somewhere. Maybe I should make it like 0.6 maybe? Probably don't need to make it that far from the main text. 7.5, let's say. And you know what, let's boom. Kinda liked it better before. Let's see how I look with that. Awesome. 1007. I like this. What's up, Ethan? How's Dribble so far? Oh, you mean like adding a Dribble link? Is that what you mean? Or like, how am I doing on Dribble? What do you mean by that? I could add a Dribble link. It's not really very Maker either. I want to keep this like fixed to Makers, because yeah. How am I doing on it?